Today we are doing an easy apple crisp dessert. Who doesn't love that? Oatmeal, apples, brown sugar, all the good stuff. So let's get started. Starting out with some apples. I've got 4 pounds of apples. Now, you do need to core them, like so. Do not do what I did. I forgot that I didn't have my regular apple corer. In my mind, I was thinking these things, but I do not want to slice them into the eighths. I just want to core out the apple because I'm going to be slicing these horizontally into about eighths. Now, I had to do this with kind of a paring knife, so I may be having to remove a few seeds along the way. It was not an easy job. So if you remember to actually use an apple corer, yours is going to come out much better looking than mine will. I'm doing this a little bit out of order because I want to be able to get these apples soaked in a water lemon juice so that they don't start turning on me. As you can see, they're already starting to do that a little bit. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which, if I'm not mistaken, is about 175 degrees centigrade. There's a pesky seed. I'll have some lemon juice and a tablespoon of water. I'm going to be pouring that over the apples right now. It does not take a whole lot to do this. Right now I'm going to try to get them coated in that mixture. Trying to work quickly here. Set that aside. Okay, I've got a smaller bowl, but still a pretty large bowl. To that, I'm going to be adding some brown sugar, rolled oats, or instant oats if you don't happen to have rolled oats. Stick of butter, softened. I've let this sit out for a little while. Flour, and cinnamon and salt. I'm going to have the exact recipe down below in the ingredients, down in the description section. Now this is why I put on my latex gloves, because we're going to be working this mixture into the soft butter. This is a hands-on kind of deal. It's kind of fun, a little bit like playing with Play-Doh. Trying to kind of rub it together a little bit to break up the clumps. Make sure it all gets mixed in pretty darn well. That I'm going to refrigerate for just a moment. Okay, back to the apple slices. Going to be adding the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Got some cornstarch, some cinnamon. Get this all mixed up. I'll put a little avocado spray into my 9x9 dish. Add my apples. Just dump that all in. Get my mixture back out of the refrigerator. We're going to sprinkle these little bits all over the top. Get that all spread out and into the oven at the 350 degrees. And it should be done in about 40 to 50 minutes. It's out of the oven. I let it cool down for about 10 minutes or so. Got some ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Here's what it's looking like with the ice cream. So, what does it taste like? It's still very hot, but this is awesome, guys. You have got to try this. With even all the screw-ups that I did with the coring of the apples and trying to push the limit as far as them turning brown, if I can do this, you can do this. And this turns out, it's gonna be noteworthy. Trust me, it's too good. I gotta have some more. If you're liking the show, give me a like down below. Maybe hit that hype button. Leave me a comment, that helps too. And maybe consider subscribing. That said, I will catch you all next week. Bye-bye.